First, open up your movie editing program, and then make sure that you have access to all the video clips that you're going to use to make your video. Take the clip that you want to use. I film my videos in order, so each clip is in order when it's uploaded to the computer. Click it, drag it over to the movie editing program, and there you go, there it is. And you can see the audio right here where I start talking. It's right here, so you can get rid of all of this instead of having all this in the beginning. Click it right there. Go up to edit. And you want to click. See that? It separated the clips. You can get rid of this part that you don't want. So now video will start where I start talking.
What do you do when your drill charger will no longer accept the battery?
See, just like that. This video is going to be about a drill battery that will no longer charge. I'm not going to play it here, just showing you how to edit the video. And this is the little noise that it makes when you turn off the camera. I'm going to go about right there. Come up here again. Split. This is pretty much all video editing is. If you're doing a basic video like this, where there's no special effects or anything, you're just splitting and taking out the parts that you don't want, and then combining the clips you have cut together to form a complete video. Now I have to figure out which video is going to be the next one. I think it's this one. I start talking here. Oops, confused, wrong menu. Now we're going to do this again. This is where the clip starts. Split and get rid of all this. Then bring that next clip. And then these two will transition. This will transition from this into the next clip when the video is actually rendered. The way
it's on the charger. The first thing you want to do is get the two batteries next to each other and check the voltages with a voltmeter. The battery with the X is the one that the charger will no longer.
Do a little test.
Positive, look for the plus and the minus. Red on positive, black on negative.
I don't get a connection until about there on the battery, so I'm going to click it there. Edit split. Oh, and after you push edit and split, you click on the clip that you don't want anymore, and then you push delete on the keyboard and it gets rid of it for you. Once you do this for a while, it's pretty easy to edit videos. As long as you're not doing any crazy special effects or anything, then it gets a little more complicated.
Next, I'll show you how you can charge it using the good battery.
Get rid of this little tiny clip here, click it, and then push delete. When you get rid of small clips like that, be really careful because a lot of times what will happen, you'll end up selecting the bigger clip and it'll delete the bigger clip and leave the short clip there. So if that happens, what you do is go to edit and you click undo. See that? I did undo and it brought it back. But I don't need that, so I'm going to go ahead and click redo to get rid of it. Next, bring in the next clip. Some of these clips I end up using, I have to put it in here and look and see what's in the clip, if I want to use it or not. I don't think I need to use that clip, so I'm going to get rid of it. Next clip, see what that does.
Try this at your own risk.
I'm going to split it right there. Delete. Drag this clip over.
Make sure you do that correctly, otherwise you're short out the batteries.
Go through it real quick to see if this is what I want for this video clip, and it looks like we're good here.
Okay, looks like we're good. Go ahead and connect it.
If I'm going to need this, I'm going to split it out and then see if I need it or not.
It's tricky to get these stupid wires to stay in there. Okay, got it. The good battery is sending power to the bad battery. The bad battery was around 16 volts.
Actually, I'm going to keep that info. I'm going to keep that video footage in there.
So it says 16 and a half. The voltage hasn't increased, so we don't have a complete connection yet. You have to play with these wires.
Get rid of that.
Keep doing this until you get a connection.
I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this. Go over here, bring in the next clip. This clip's no good, so I'm going to take it out. Go to the next one, bring it in. That one I don't need, can't use that one. Try this one. I'm not sure, but I probably won't use this one either. So what I'm saying again, if you're making videos of yourself doing something for your YouTube channel, then you can do this on each clip. Listen to what you're saying to make sure you're getting your point across. Like, this is a how-to video, so you want to make sure that you're explaining it the way that you want to explain it in the video with each clip that's in this program right now before you make the final render.
Check the voltage on the bad battery to make sure.
I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this little bit of nothing here in the first clip.
Check the voltage on that. See that? The voltage has jumped up over 19 volts. Before it was 16. So now it's getting voltage from the good battery and charging it. And these are lithium-ion batteries.
Check the next clip now. Check the final clip now.
Go ahead and disconnect the batteries.
Split. Delete this.
It's been 10 minutes. Go ahead and disconnect the batteries. Disconnect the wires. You can short out the battery if you wire it wrong and possibly cause a fire or explosion. So try at your own risk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.
When you're happy with the way it looks, go up here, click on File, under As, type in the name of the video, whatever you want to call it, and then you click Render. I'm going to call this, I'll call it battery. Battery drill. Then you just push the render button with the mouse, click. And here it will give you a timer of approximately how long it will take to make the video. And once this is done, then you have your complete video made from all these clips. That's all there is to it to do basic video editing. So once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.